Good morning, students. Today, in our social science class, we are going to take our second chapter of geography. In this chapter, we are going to see the physical features of our country. Now, children, India is a vast country with varied landforms. That means there are different types of landforms in our country. Our country has practically all major physical features of the earth. That means in our country, somewhere we have mountains, plateaus, deserts, then plains, and island. India is a large landmass formed during different geographical periods which has influenced her relief. That means what here they are saying that because of the large landmass which our country has, the geographical period from the past, it has been influenced by its different relief features and the climate of our country. Besides geographical formation, a number of processes such as weathering, erosion, and depletion has created and modified the relief its present forms. Here, what they are trying to explain is that besides the geographical formation, other things like weathering of the rocks, erosions of the rocks, and depletion of the rocks has also created and modified the different relief features that we see in present form. After that, we have what are the causes of plate movement. The movement of plates result in the building up of stresses within the plates and continental rocks above, leading to folding, faulting, and volcanic activity. Here, children, what they are trying to explain is that the plates which are inside the earth crust, they keep on moving every time, and these plates sometimes stretches, sometimes they comes above each other, and because of these movements of the plates on the above surface of the earth, folding of the rocks, faulting of the rocks, and the volcanic activities take place. Now we have plate boundaries. Now, what are plate boundaries? Basically, there are three type of plate boundaries. First, transform boundary. In the event of two plates coming together, here what they are saying, when in the process of the movement of plates, when the two plates come together and they collide, crumble, मतलब टकराते हैं, एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ जाते हैं, then after that they may also move horizontally at times, pass each other and form transform plates. मतलब एक दूसरे से करीब निकल जाते हैं, एक दूसरे से टकराते हैं या हॉरिजॉन्टली एक दूसरे के ऊपर से चले जाते हैं. तो उसके कारण बीच में जो बाउंड्रीज बनती हैं, दरारें बनती हैं, उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्म बाउंड्री. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव कन्वर्जेंट बाउंड्री. इसमें क्या होता है, वाइल सम प्लेट्स कम टुगेदर ईच अदर, मतलब एक दूसरे के पास में आ जाती है और उन दोनों के पास में आने से बीच में जो गैप बनता है उसे कहते हैं कन्वर्जेंट बाउंड्री. After that, we have divergent boundary. In this, some plates move away from each other. मतलब प्लेट्स आपस में एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाती है, तो डाइवर्ज हो जाती है. तो उस अलग होने के प्रोसेस में जो बीच में दरार बनती है, गैप्स बनते हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं डाइवर्जेंट बाउंड्रीज. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव प्लेट मूवमेंट्स. द मूवमेंट ऑफ दीज प्लेट्स, मतलब ये जो प्लेट्स मूव कर रही हैं ज़मीन के अंदर, हैव चेंज द पोजिशन एंड द साइज ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट ओवर मिलियन ऑफ ईयर्स. Here what they are saying, that the continuous movement of the plates inside the earth have changed the position. That means once upon a time, 1,000 million years ago, the whole continents were stuck together and they were called by the name गोंडवाना लैंड, एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए थे. लेकिन ये जो कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस है जिसके कारण प्लेट्स ज़मीन के अंदर मूव करती है, उसके कारण कॉन्टिनेंट्स की जो पोजीशन है वो बदल गई है और साथ साथ में इनकी साइज़ भी बदल रही है. Such movements have also influenced the evolution of the present land features relief of India. और इन मूवमेंट्स के कारण ही आज कुछ समय से जो हम अलग अलग प्रकार के लैंड फॉर्म्स देखते हैं, उनके फीचर्स देखते हैं, वह इन्हीं प्लेट मूवमेंट्स के कारण होते हैं. आफ्टर दैट द ओल्डेस्ट लैंड मास, जिसे कि हम पेनिनसुलर पार्ट के नाम से भी जानते हैं और जिसका प्रॉपर नाम है गोंडवाना लैंड. इस गोंडवाना लैंड के अंदर इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, साउथ अफ्रीका, साउथ अमेरिका, ये सारे के सारे वन सिंगल लैंड मास थे. द कन्वेक्शनल करंट स्प्लिट, तो जो कन्वेक्शनल करंट्स हैं उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, अर्थ को स्प्लिट कर दिया, अलग अलग टुकड़ों में बांट दिया. thus leading to the drafting of Indo-Australian plate after being separated from the Gondwana land. Children, what here they are saying, that the conventional current which were being formed in the oceans, they have separated Indo-Australian plates from the main landmass that was called the Gondwana land. And this have been shifted towards the northern part. The northern drift resulted in the collision of the plates with the much larger erosion plates. After that, the plates which are in the northern part, Eurasian plates, that collided with the Indo-Australian part. Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks which were accumulated in the geosalines known as the Tethys were folded to form the mountain system of the Western Asia and Himalayas. The Himalayan uplift, मतलब जो प्लेट्स से कोलाइड हुए हैं एक दूसरे से, उसके कारण ही एशिया में और जो इंडिया के अंदर हिमालयस बने हैं वह इन कोलिजन्स के कारण ही बने हैं. द हिमालयन अपलिफ्ट आउट ऑफ द थिसिस रिवर, जो हिमालयस बने हैं वह थिसिस रिवर से, उसी से ऊपर उठकर बने हैं. एंड subsidence of the northern flake of the peninsular plateau resulted in the formation of a large basin. In due course of time, this depression gradually got lifted with deposition of sediments by the river flowing from the mountains in the north and the peninsular plateau in the south. कह रहे समय के साथ साथ जो पहाड़ें जो ऊपर हिमालयस बने और उन पे से जो नदियाँ बह कर आई, उन नदियों के साथ जो सेडिमेंट्स आकर डिपॉजिट होने लग गए नदियों के किनारे, उन सेडिमेंट्स ने ही धीरे धीरे हमारे नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में और पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो को साउथ में और भी ऊंचा कर दिया है. Now, after that, we have different major physical divisions of India. That means in the north, we have the Himalayan mountains. Then below the Himalayan mountains, we have the northern plains, mostly populated areas of our country. Then we have the Peninsular Plateau, which is famous for its minerals. After that, we have the Indian desert, that is Thar Desert situated in Rajasthan, then the coastal plains of the west and east, and in the last we have the islands, that means Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Children, hope you have understood this much. today. Next, we'll continue in the next part of the chapter. Thank you.